Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the Logitech M240 Silent Touch mouse. So the first thing we want to do is pop the battery case off. And then you're going to see that there's going to be a little sticker here and you have to peel that off. That's the black sticker here. And then you can remove the sticker, and then inside of the mouse you're going to see that there is going to be a bolt in there that we can now unscrew. This is going to be a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you remove this screw, then the mouse should be able to pop right open. And as you can see, it does indeed pop right open like so. And then here's what the top housing of the mouse is going to look like with the point clickers. And then the bottom of the mouse is going to look like so. And if you want to remove the logic board, all you do is remove these three black screws. And then this green logic board comes right off. There's really nothing much under there, but if you do need to replace it, it's a very simple process. So this has been the teardown for the Logitech M240 Silent Touch mouse. Very simple, very easy. Should take you no more than 5 minutes. If you want to learn more about the tools we used in this video, links will be down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.